People believe that the quality of study is in proportion to the quantity of study. Is it true? It is not. In most of the cases, the quality of study is not in proportion to the quantity of study. It is said quality is more important than quantity. Now, I'd like you to talk as yourself silently. I'd like you to imagine how you can study what you need based upon keeping quality. I'd like you to philosophize the importance of attention. All the time, you need to be ready to pay attention perfectly in doing something. Especially when you study necessary things, how you have rigid mentality yourself is a matter of importance. I'd like you to imagine now, in front of you, you see two buildings. Between the two buildings, between the top of a high building and the top of another building here, you see a tightrope. Now you wish to be there from the top of the first building. From the first building, you wish to reach there on the top of the second building. So, in order to reach there, you need to keep good balance. To make a good balance is a must for you to reach the second building from the first. I tell you now, funambulism is surely important for you to realize what you need to do perfectly. When you go to the second building from the first building, you need good balance. If you fall, that's the end of it. Your life is finished. So, what you need is feeling the risk. I'd like you to hazard your life to take action. That's a matter of importance. Every day, I'd like you to study a lot. Not the following thing. Do not study anything without paying attention. I'd like you to hazard your life to study any of the things. momentarily. You make assurance double sure. Not only big things, but also small things. Those small things, usually people do not pay attention. How you can be rigid in the presence of small things changes the quality of your study. In your substantial process to study what you need, I'd like you to focus upon so many things. You need to have hydrohenry aspects for you to go forth intellectually. To experience intellectual learning experience, you got to be dedicated enough to see other aspects academically, culturally, artistically, and of course, anthropologically, for you to be cultivated widely and universally. You need to be wide awake all the time. The way to study shall be interdisciplinary study for you to be universally cultivated. There is nothing you don't have to pay attention to. All the time, in the presence of any of things, you've got to pay perfect attention. Through keeping mentality of the experience of funambulism. Also, you need to keep making assurance double sure. To make assurance double sure graces the whole of your study. Stoicism is pretty important. I'd like you to go forth out of intellectual curiosity based upon possession of Stoicism. The lecture shall be finished now.